Hi everyone, I'm Doc Ken and welcome to National Service Training Program 2, Chapter 2 entitled Project Management and Development. So what are the learning outcomes for this chapter? One is to explain the different phases of project management and development by creating pre, on, and post-implementation documents, and to demonstrate understanding and knowledge of the different phases of project management and document making to the students of NSTP. First, let's break project management and development into three terms: project, management, and development. A project is a planned piece of work with a specified goal, such as finding information or creating something new that typically requires a specified time to complete. When we talk about management, it's all about selecting how to use something, or it refers to an act or a process utilizing resources effectively and efficiently. And development, which pertains to a process that creates growth, progress, positive change, or addition. Thus, project management and development is the process of integrating plan of work, techniques, and knowledge to accomplish a project on time, on budget, and within scope so there will be a positive change, progress, or development. Moreover, project management is the way of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling a project so that defined intended results can be achieved safely within a given timetable and budget. Likewise, project management is the application of procedures, methods, skills, knowledge, and experience to meet particular project objectives within defined guidelines while adhering to project standards. Final outputs are bound by a limited time frame and budget in project management. There are five phases of project management and development. One, project initiation. Two, project planning. Three, project execution. Four, project performance monitoring. Five, project closure. First, project initiation. This is the first phase of the project, and its objective is to define the project in broad terms. This is when you'll investigate whether the project is possible and should be carried out. If any feasibility testing is required, it will be undertaken during this stage of the project. Important stakeholders will do due diligence to help determine whether the project is a go. If it is, you will need to establish a project charter or project initiation document that outlines the project's objective and criteria. In this phase, it also answers the questions who, what, when, where, how, and why the project should be initiated. Next, project planning. This phase is critical to project management success and focuses on creating a roadmap that everyone will follow. Setting goals is usually the first step in this phase, and it should be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. This strategy ensures that the objectives have been thoroughly examined. It also provides a means of properly understanding the goal setting process significance. The scope of the project is established during this phase, and a project management plan is created. It includes determining the costs, quality, resources available, and a realistic timeline. Roles and responsibilities are clearly defined at this point so everyone understands what they are responsible for. Project execution or implementation. This is the phase in which deliverables are created and finished because there is so much going on during this time, such as status reports and meetings, development updates, and performance reports. It might feel like the meat of the project. The commencement of the project execution phase is frequently marked by a kick-off meeting in which the teams participating are informed of their tasks, while the project monitoring phase has its own set of requirements. These two phases frequently happen at the same time. Project performance monitoring. This is all about tracking project progress and performance, as well as ensuring that everything is going according to plan. Key performance indicators will be used by project managers to determine if the project is on schedule. It usually being done by choosing 2 to 5 of these KPIs to gauge project success. KPIs include project objectives, quality deliverables, effort and cost tracking, and project performance. Moreover, schedule and resource adjustments during this phase to keep the project on track are possible. And lastly, project closure. This phase denotes the completion of the project. Team members who have contributed significantly to the success of the project are recognized. A project manager should arrange a meeting after a project is concluded to analyze what went well and identify project shortcomings. This is frequently referred to as post-mortem. This is very useful for comprehending lessons learned so that the future initiatives can be improved. The project managers still have a few things to fulfill after the project is completed. They will need to build a project punch list of things that did not get done during the project and collaborate with the team members to get them done. Another is to make a final budget for the project and write a final report. And finally, they must gather all project documents and deliverables to store them in one place.